Hey folks, so I'm back here with my project turning a 2-wire fan into a 3-wire PWM controlled fan, cooling fan here. And it does this with a custom DAC board that I designed and built, and some code and just some basic stuff with a microcontroller, little Arduino over here, Arduino Nano. And I thought I'd show kind of how it works a little bit more, and this time using some tests with an anemometer. Can never pronounce that. But what these do is they have a little sensor in here that tests the current of air that's blowing through it. And so we see now that it's on 0. Let's go ahead and turn this to 77 for the microcontroller. Actually, 78 is the minimum where it doesn't make any clicking sounds. And let's go ahead and blow a little bit on here, and we see we get 4.5. Okay. Now, what happens if let's make it a little bit more centered on camera here. About 4.5, okay. And I'm going to turn this knob, and we see that the fan speed changes, and the anemometer changes as well to correspond with that. Got to make sure now we're at 5.8. 6 when we go up to 100 here. 104, we get 6.2. 6.5, I'm just trying to find out what the max is here. It's a nice little change. 6.9. 6.9 seems to be the max. Yeah, nothing happening after that. So I'm going to use this to update my code for the maximum and minimum values, PWM values, to set this this fan at. And it looks like 116 is the max. You could say 117 to be safe, and then the minimum being 78. 78. Cool. Not bad. So from 4.8 to 6.9 meters per second. Not bad. That's our range. Now, once I start doing some kicker steps, I can make it go lower than that, which would be nice too. But this gives you an idea of what my circuit's doing in actual numbers, which is pretty darn cool.